distractions near. Silent whispers, that's all I hear. Pages turning, ideas clear. In this space my mind steers.
Music videos like Lo-Fi Girl are blowing up, and they're surprisingly easy to make. I'll show you how to create your own lo-fi music videos on your iPhone using these two AI tools. Plus, you can stream them. Let me show you. First, let's create our character. We're coming over to Leonardo AI. This is where you can create images and videos, text to videos, but we're gonna create our image. So we're gonna click image, and then we're gonna come to the prompt, and I already have a prompt that I'm gonna set. These are what I've already created, but I'm gonna show you how. So you come here, and I'm going to paste what I said, anime style, side profile. If you want this prompt, just comment prompt and I'll send it to you. And then you press create. But before you press create, press the little settings gear on the side right there and make sure that your image is 16:9. And then these are what they came up with. So these are really great. I love these. They have the cat in the background. She looks like she's studying, but I really like this one. So I'm going to download it to my phone. A lot of people don't know how to do this, but you download, and then at the corner where the URL is, you click the little blue download button, and then you click downloads. And then it should be right there. You have to click it. And then down at the bottom with the square, you click that, and then it says save to phone. Now we're coming over to Dream Machine. This is how we make our images move and turn our images into videos. So we're going to click try now, right up at the top, and then we're gonna upload our image, the one that we chose, and photo library, and then we're gonna click enhance prompt. But we're gonna do this twice because sometimes the enhance prompt is enough, but sometimes you have to say something. So I'm gonna say she's writing, or she writes on the paper on her desk. And then I'm going to do that. And so this is what the first one looked like with enhanced prompt. So this one turned out okay, and she's writing and it's moving. It looks lifelike. This is the second one. Okay, so it's pretty much doing the same thing. Her head's bobbing a little, so I like both of them. I'm going to download both. But now we're going to extend it. Click the extend, and then you're going to turn her head to look out the window. So now you want her head to move. She looks interactive. And then you click generate. This is what I came up with. So yeah. And then I'm pretty sure she looks up. Okay. So this one looks okay too. Okay, so I like them all. And then we're going to generate one more, and we're going to say bobs her head to the music. So you can put in the prompt what you want her to do. You can make your lo-fi girl do whatever you want, but I'm just going to make her look like she's studying, bobbing her head, writing, listening to the music. So this one turned out okay too. Okay, so I'm going to download all of these. So these are all the ones that I have. I'm going to use those ones too that I already created, and then I'm just going to download them. Let's create one more. We're going to extend one more video, and then we're just going to generate it. Okay, so this is what this one looks like too. So this one turned out okay too. So we're going to download them all so we can use them all in the end. So we got this one and this one. Just click the download button, and then it downloads right to your phone. It's that easy. Okay, now we're going to make our background music. Suno AI, I love this app so much, and it has an app now. But I'm using it on Safari, but I'm going to show you here instead. Okay, so you're going to click the little button, and then you can put a description of what you want your song to be, or you can put in lyrics. I'm just going to give it a description. So a study song that has rhythm, and I just want an instrumental, so I'm going to click over so it has no lyrics. It's just the instrumental, and then I'm going to click create. So it's creating 2 songs at a time, which is cool. Okay, so this one sounds really good. All right, and this is the second one. So this sounds good too. I think I like the second one, so we're gonna use that one instead. Okay, so as you can see, you can use it on the internet, which Safari, or you can go to the app. I'm gonna show you the app. Okay, so it opens up like this, and then you just create your Suno account, Lottie, and then my username is gonna be AI with Lottie, just like my YouTube name. Okay, and then it's gonna have me in. These are all my songs I've made. They're already here. I made them on the Safari, but here they are on the app. So you can't download the video here, but you can download the song to your phone. So I'm gonna go back to the internet and I'm gonna download the video because I'm gonna extract the song from the video for CapCut. Okay, so I'm going to click video and then it downloads to my phone. Now we're gonna come over to CapCut to edit. So these are all the videos that I created, but we're gonna take off the end and then we're going to click the last slide and we're gonna slide over because we want it to face the way she's facing. See, it just turns her around. Do it to all of the ones that are faced a different way, the opposite way. Okay, so now it's done. Perfect. So now we're gonna come to the transition button and we're going to click fade. So I really like this one, and then we're gonna apply to all. Now you don't have to go individually and apply the same transition. So we're gonna go up a few and we're gonna click one of the transitions and we're gonna put in fade because we want it to look like it's dissolving into the other slide. So I'm gonna put fade and we're gonna click this one. See? Oh, cute. I love it. Okay, so now we're gonna go back and we're gonna give some effects. So you're gonna go to the bottom, click effects, and you're gonna click video effects, and then we're gonna click stars. So you can go through them all. There's a whole bunch of effects. I'm gonna click this one. Okay, so this one's pretty cute. It makes it move. So you're gonna grab it and drag it all the way to the end of your video. I'm only doing about a couple seconds because I just wanna show you how you can create this. So then we're gonna come to video effects again and we're gonna put in stars again. So we're going to write in stars. And I really like the little fairy dust. See that? Oh, cute. Okay, we're gonna click it and then we're gonna duplicate it twice or as many times as you wanna put it in your video. And then we're gonna click the second one and we're gonna drag it through the video so it's not going all through the video, but like just in certain parts. So we're gonna drag the third one, we're gonna drag that one all the way to the end, right here, and perfect. Now we need some audio. This is where extract from the video. Extract, and then you take the audio from the video. Okay, so that turned out way better than I thought. So you can add more video and more song or a different song, but I'm gonna show you, you just download the video that you made that you're gonna put on replay. So this is the video, and then you just click it, click the video, and then you're just gonna press duplicate. And you're gonna make it as long as you want. You can make it up to 4 hours, 5 hours, an hour, 30 minutes, and you just click duplicate right here. And as you can see up in the corner, it's changing. So you just keep going until it hits the full song or the full video that you want to make. And that's pretty much it. And that's how you create a lo-fi video, music video. And she moves and, you got everything. So, yeah, that's it. If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.